The breath mint has gone from a simple herbal remedy in ancient times to a staple for fresh breath today. These small yet mighty refreshers have evolved into diverse flavors and forms. They are found in pockets and purses around the globe and used by almost everyone to get rid of bad breath. So, how did they do it? The story of breath mints begins in ancient Egypt. Dental health wasn't a priority, leading to the invention of the first breath mints. The Egyptians created pellets from a mix of myrrh, cinnamon, frankincense, and honey to mask the odors of bad teeth. Similarly, other ancient societies used natural substances like cloves, anise seeds, and cardamom seeds to freshen breath long before discovering mint's refreshing power. Fast forward to 1790. During King George III's reign, Altoids introduced a mint drop, marking the beginning of commercially made breath mints. Victorian England saw these mints made from boiled sugar and peppermint oils, a time when social etiquette was highly valued, and anything less than fresh breath was frowned upon. This period also saw the emergence of chewing gum in the 1860s, further emphasizing the societal demand for fresh breath. In the 1950s, Certs combined the concept of mint and candy, introducing a product that offered freshness and convenience. This marked the beginning of the modern breath mint era, characterized by portable, effective solutions to bad breath. The 1980s saw another leap with the introduction of sugar-free mints, catering to a health-conscious audience. Today, popular brands like Altoids, Lifesavers, Certs, Breath Savers, and TikToks dominate the market, each with their unique take on the traditional breath mint. But what exactly is in modern breath mints? The composition of breath mints is a fascinating mix of tradition and innovation, constantly evolving to meet the tastes and health concerns of consumers. At the heart of many breath mints is peppermint, an ingredient appreciated for its fresh, invigorating flavor and also for its natural muscle relaxant properties that aid in clearing sinuses. The refreshing sensation is often heightened by menthol, which has a soothing effect on the mouth. The texture and dissolving rate of mints are very important to their appeal and owe it to magnesium stearate. This compound, commonly found in various medicines and tablets, regulates how fast a mint dissolves in the mouth. The longer-lasting dissolve time prolongs the enjoyment and extends the breath-freshening effect. In today's mints, the emphasis on oral health has led to the inclusion of sugar substitutes such as sorbitol and S-sulfame potassium. Combined with natural and artificial flavors, these ingredients offer the sweetness and taste consumers desire without the risk of promoting dental decay. In addition, potassium bicarbonate is frequently used for its odor-fighting capabilities. This effectively neutralizes bacteria and the acids they produce and swiftly combats bad breath. So, how do all these ingredients come together? The journey begins with careful selection and preparation of ingredients. Essential components like natural or artificial flavors like peppermint or spearmint, sweeteners, and binding agents are accurately measured and prepared for mixing. These ingredients are then thoroughly mixed. For hard mints, this mix typically includes a syrup that is cooked to a specific temperature. In contrast, softer, chewy mints might incorporate gelatin or gum arabic, which is a natural gum, for their distinctive texture. The mix is then shaped into mints. This could involve pouring the mixture into molds or squeezing and cutting it into small pieces. Hard mints go through a process called crystallization, where they are cooled and solidified into their final form. Some mints receive additional coatings for flavor, texture, or appearance. For instance, a shiny outer coating is often applied to hard mints to make them more appealing and to prevent them from sticking together. The final step is packaging. Mints are packed into various forms like rolls, tins, or pouches, each designed for convenience and to extend shelf life. Throughout the manufacturing process, quality control checks are also conducted to ensure the final product's consistency, taste, and safety. Finally, the product is shipped to stores where people can buy them. While breath mints have come a long way from their ancient versions, it's important to remember that they only offer temporary relief from bad breath. They are most effective when used alongside good oral hygiene practices. It is important to address the underlying causes of bad breath, such as poor oral hygiene or certain health conditions, and not just the symptoms. Regardless, Breath mints can be very useful, and their numerous flavors make them very popular today. Breath mints may seem like a simple solution for freshening breath, but they represent much more than that. They are a mix of cultural history, science, and social etiquette. They have gone through centuries of evolution from ancient herbal remedies to the modern, diverse range we see today. And that's it for this video. Make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. See you in the next one. Goodbye.